Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video I am going to unbox one of the most budget friendly and high quality microphones, which is the Maono AU-A04TR. Now this microphone will take your audio quality from sounding like this to something like this. Now this microphone is very useful for content creation, gaming, meetings, basically wherever there is a need of good audio quality. But keep this in mind, there are three variants of this microphone, one with the arm, one with the table stand, and finally the one with the tripod, which I am going to show you guys. Now if you're concerned with the quality of the microphone, this is the video that you're looking for because all three variants have the same microphone. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. My name is Samiyan Sawant, welcome to the channel. Okay, so now this video is divided into various segments and all the timestamps are given in the description, so if you want to jump to any of the segments, go right ahead. But for now, let's unbox the microphone first. Okay, so now for the unboxing part, first of all we'll receive this small box, and once we open it we'll get a thank you card saying that thanks for shopping with us and you can subscribe to us on these handles. Next is the user manual. It will have basic setup instructions and all that other stuff, so let's keep it aside. Now once we are done with these two things, we have our main component, that is the microphone. Let's keep it aside. Now below the microphone there are various other things, amongst which the first one is the joint. The joint consists of two sides which are used to join the microphone as well as the tripod respectively. The next component is the pop filter. Now the pop filter won't allow the audio of your breath and other noises go through the microphone. After that we have the tripod, which is the stand of the microphone. And finally we have one of the most important components, that is the cable that connects your microphone with your device. And of course the silica gel. So to summarize all the components that we get inside the box, we have a microphone, a joint, tripod, cable, pop filter and silica gel. Now let's see how we can assemble all these components. Okay, so now to assemble the microphone, the first component that we are going to take is the joint. Now as I said, there are two sides to the joint. As you can see, this line part, this is the bottom part, and then there's the top part. So we'll take the microphone, we'll keep it above it, we'll hold the bottom part and then we'll start attaching the microphone. Okay, so now as you can see, this part is supposed to be behind to attach the tripod and the Maono sign should be in the front. So what we'll do is, we'll hold the bottom, loosen it up a bit and then adjust the position of the microphone and tighten the bottom. So the Maono sign is in front, we're done. Now for the next part, we'll take the tripod and as I said, we'll attach it behind. Once we're done with the tripod, as you can see here, this is kind of a screw. Now the screw is used to tighten the position of the microphone on the tripod. So what we'll do is, we'll take a particular position and we'll tighten it up and then we'll open the tripod. Also remember that the position of the microphone can be adjusted till 180 degrees, so you can take any position that you want. For now I'll just keep it in this position and we'll place it down. Okay, so the assembly is almost ready. We'll just take the pop filter and attach it, and obviously the cable. Now see this part of the cable goes below the microphone, and then the other side, the USB side, goes into your device, your PC or laptop like this, and we're good to go. That's it, that's the assembly of the microphone. Now I'm going to compare the Maono microphone with two other microphones. The two other microphones being, first of all, the microphone of the device that is capturing this video, my Android phone, and second microphone is the Boya BY-M1 lavalier condenser microphone, which is this one. So let's get started. Hello everyone, my name is Samiyan Sawant and this is an audio test. Hello everyone, my name is Samiyan Sawant and this is an audio test. Hello everyone, my name is Samiyan Sawant and this is an audio test. Okay, now that we have seen how to assemble the microphone, let's talk about the pros and cons of it. So the first pro of this microphone is that it is budget friendly, which means that it provides very high quality at a very low cost. Now before buying this microphone, I searched for various other microphones and the price ranges were somewhere between 6 to 16,000 and above. So that was not really affordable for me, so I bought this one. Now this microphone I bought for 2,500, but the original price of this microphone is 3,500. But there's some kind of sale going on every time. Now I bought this somewhere in the first week of June where there was no kind of real occasion, but still there was a sale on this microphone. So keep searching, you'll find some kind of offer and you'll get it at a low price. Now the second benefit of this microphone is that it is plug and play, which means that you don't have to go through the hassle of downloading any kind of software or drivers to run this microphone. You just simply have to plug it into your device and it will start working. Now in case if it doesn't start working, just go to your sound settings and set this microphone as the default microphone for your PC, so whenever you run any kind of software, this will be the microphone which takes the audio input. Third benefit of this microphone is that it is portable. Now I specifically chose the tripod variant because the arm variant requires to be at one certain place and the table stand variant is comparatively heavy to this one. Now it's totally up to you guys which variant you want to buy, but just remember that the prices of all three variants differ from each other. Also, the links to all these three variants are given in the description, so after this video if you decide to buy any kind of variant, you can just go ahead and do it. Another benefit of the microphone is the design of the microphone. Now at this price, the microphone gives you the most premium feel you can get, and also it has a minimalistic design, at least for the tripod, because the arm takes all that space and the table stand will take comparatively less space, but the tripod one is the most minimal design you can get in these three variants. Okay, so enough with the pros, let's go ahead with the cons. Now, honestly speaking, I didn't really find any minus points in this microphone. The only thing I can say is that it is not omnidirectional. The polar pattern of this microphone is cardioid, which means that it will capture audio only from this direction. So always remember to face the direction of the microphone where they have written Maono. Because if you snap your fingers from this side, it will capture the audio, but if you snap your fingers from the opposite side, it won't. So always remember that. Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. Now if you find this video useful, do tell me in the comments. Also, if you have this microphone already and if you have any suggestions or anything that you want to say, go right ahead in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video, it really helps me with the algorithm, and share it with your friends so that they can also get introduced to this awesome microphone. And consider subscribing to this channel. How to tech videos, tech reviews, gaming, vlogs, coding is all that goes on this channel. So if that's your vibe, hit that subscribe button. And finally, you can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Spotify and GitHub. All the links are given down in the description. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.